But it's Bonnie. Happy Monday evening. I'm here with my friend and collaborator, Lenny Pinna.
Hello, hello.
Wonderful establishment.
Metropolitan New York, yes?
It is. Oh my gosh. This is an aesthetic.
I brought you something from the bar.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Look at this. Oh, I needed that. That is refreshing. I'm so excited. We got a LUSH kitchen box, and I was kind of expecting it to be like a homey Thanksgiving November theme. And no, what is it? It's New York City. So we had to do a New York City vibe. Look at this.
New York City, yes.
Oh my gosh. Would you believe I've never been to New York City? You believe it?
Well, yes, but...
Whereas Lenny lived in New York City.
Yes.
Internationally gorgeous.
Yes, we are.
I didn't say intentional, it's internationally. I'm so excited about this box. This is like such an interesting... I think we need to open it up.
Oh, that's right. This is that thing where they put things on the inside.
Things on the inside. We have to open this.
Do we have to kind of rip it anywhere? Wait.
Where's the...
Oh, here. I think we should go from the top here.
Okay. This is exciting.
Yeah.
It's a big reveal.
Wait. I'm going to cut it because I don't want to rip it just in case.
All right. Excellent. Oh, okay.
See?
Fresh from the lab of...
Garo. Oh, so it's one of those like smash up names where they put two names together.
Gary and Rowing. It contains ideas from the past year and some even longer. Products that have been waiting for their time to shine. Tested by so many people. Now is their time. Wow. That's actually this box is just giving off some vibes, man. It is pungent. We've also got something fresh is here. Is a Vision facial serum you can no longer live without. Join LUSH Club to find the full... What is this? It's a facial serum?
Serum?
Is this going to like help my dark circles? Look at that. What is it? Is it like
it's a wax?
Like a serum?
A serum?
Am I going to look like gorgeous?
I don't know. Is that where we should put it?
I don't know. Doesn't say what to do with it. I'm guessing if it's a facial serum.
You put it all over your face then, right?
I guess so, but maybe it's gonna maybe it's gonna like improve our...
It's gonna like tighten up our skin.
Yeah, that's
I don't know.
Exciting. Is it in the...
Facial serum. Is there anything here? Here it is.
Where? What?
Oh, Vision facial serum. Vision. Oh. Okay, the results are brilliant.
You put it in your eye?
I think it's right. The results are brilliant. I feel it has made a massive improvement in my neck and chest.
Oh.
What?
You put it on your neck.
I've never had anything like this before. It is truly an amazing product. I guess these are testimonies.
Yeah.
Great product for my skin. I am in love with it.
It's on my neck.
You're supposed to put some... Oh, that would be... Put some here.
You gonna help us?
Get rid of that.
A little creepiness.
That little turkey gobble that's starting.
Just in time for Thanksgiving. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll wake up and we'll be like, tight. Okay, well, we're testing that out. Okay, next up, we have something called Cult Rose. I must not be seeing too well today. I thought this said toilet and not toner. Like, is this some sort of like...
Glycerin toner, right.
Like bathroom spray? Rose water and kombucha.
Yeah, kombucha. You know how that's their drinks. Kombucha.
Yeah, okay.
It's a fermented drink.
Soothe, hydrate, and promote healthy-looking skin. So here, I'm going to give this.
This
to
is
you.
all for skin, sort of. Okay. Let's see.
I guess that you're supposed to put it on.
Cult Rose Glycerin Toner.
Yeah, it must you must spray it on yourself
Your-
and
It'll tone you.
it'll tone you. Okay, I don't think we need this anymore. This is like.
I'm putting some on here.
Okay, that's good. Oh, after a trip to New York, Lush perfumer Emma created a bold fragrance called Big Apple that captures the vibrant energy of the city. Rowena envisioned the scent in a dark, sparkling shower gel, reflecting the city's skyline as viewed from a plane landing at night. Wow, there's like a lot going on in here. Okay, and then here it is, New York City at night. Look at this. It's a shower gel coming for the landing with a crisp Big Apple and sweet benzoin resin. Well. What does this smell like? Look at the color on this. Is it black or is it?
And what is it? A
shower gel.
Shower gel.
It does smell good.
This is where it has that natural green quality.
Yeah. It looks like your jacket. Yeah, look. Well, let me shake it.
It's supposed to shimmer.
Yeah, wait. Do we have a towel?
No.
We have a towel. Where's the towel go?
I know where it is.
Okay, you're gonna go get the towel.
Okay.
We have a towel,
We
you
have a
guys.
towel.
Okay. I'll have a beverage while you're getting in the towel.
It was oh, here it is.
There it is. Okay, because I want you to be prepared when I like put product
Douse
all over
me
you,
with
when I
it.
douse you. See, look, it's like sparkly.
Ooh.
Okay, so we're gonna hold out your hand.
It'll go with my outfit.
Ooh, look at that. It's a little sparkly. What's it smell like on?
Same. It's that. It's like that really natural kind
Okay,
of.
look at you, all leathery.
light green.
Ooh, that does smell good. It smells better on you than in the bottom. That smells good.
Yeah, very nature.
Yeah, like you're bathing in an outdoor shower with an apple.
That's good.
I know.
I'm gonna be shimmering all over.
All right. Okay, next up. I don't know what this is. It says Flick. Oh my gosh.
That's interesting.
It's a fragranced hair balm.
Okay.
Volume, fragrance, and style. Just add water. You can have it all. A giant, like, aspirin.
Like a Pepto-Bismol.
You must. I'm going to try this stuff. You must wash your hair with this. I'll try one.
And what's it for? I'm sorry.
It's for your hair.
But I thought it was like going to be like a hair styling thing.
No. I think it's like a shampoo thing. I don't know. Boy, we got some interesting.
We
things.
really have to guess at these things. How do you put the lid on?
I broke it.
Wait. Hold.
Where's Flick?
Oh, hair balm.
Yeah, the hair balm.
Bomb. B-O-M-B.
Yeah, it's a hair balm.
Okay.
See, these all say Roe and Gary Innovations on them. Okay. Boy, this is interesting. The next step is called Cork. Okay, so this is...
We can
won't come back
forget
again.
the lid.
I know,
The lid is
forget the
not
lid.
going back on for whatever reason.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Escape to paradise with fresh pineapple juice, nourishing nut oils to awaken your senses and exfoliate your skin, leaving you feel silky smooth. It's a jelly scrub. Okay, take some of the jelly scrub.
Mmm.
That looks beautiful.
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice
oh my gosh, that's
consistency.
beautiful.
Well, I might as well.
Oh, it doesn't go in your face.
What's it go on?
Your body.
Well, my face is part of my body.
Well, that's true. That's a foreign one. Well, Lush you can use anywhere.
Yeah.
I'll have to
I just thought, why not?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I apply it now. I'll go down to the shower and wash.
Wow, it was handcrafted by women in Ghana
Smell that.
who work to protect and deforest degraded land. That's actually very interesting. This is all like, sourced.
Yeah.
Well, okay, look at you.
Naturally sourced.
Okay.
And consciously sourced.
Yes.
I am like full of all kinds of...
Oh my gosh, well, you're going to have more stuff to be full of because now we've got something naughty.
Oh.
This is a naughty lip scrub. Scrub me, kiss me, thrill me.
Sounds like Tommy.
What's it gonna?
Scrub me, kiss me, thrill
Put
me.
that on your lips.
It's a scrub, right?
Mm-hmm. And you can eat it. What's in it? Oh boy, it's like rose though.
It's rose.
Why would you want to eat rose? It's rose oil. But these are always edible though.
Well, rose oil.
Do you eat roses?
They make like rose oil to put in like whipped cream. You can have a rose cream.
You know what I like? I like the buttered popcorn one.
With rose?
No, just the buttered popcorn lip
scrub.
Oh,
lips. Are you talking about lip scrub?
Yeah, this is like, smell this. It's rosy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's yours.
Oh no, that's yours.
I don't like. I can't do rose.
Maybe your mom would like it.
Use your lip scrub. We'll give that. We'll find somebody who wants it. The naughty rose.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, next up we have some soap. Okay, I'm going to figure out what's
called
in this.
Soap.
It's called soap. What's in it? What does it smell like? It has got rosewood oil, lavender oil, rose oil. What a rose. I'm not a huge fan of rose. I like the pineapple.
I'm not a huge fan of rose either for my
you
fragrance.
Use all of your glasses.
Huh? What do I?
All of your glasses, your pineapple scrub. Yeah, I'm not loving this. It's too rosy.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day. Okay, we have a bath bomb. That actually smells good.
Ooh.
That one is the Bonbane Bernard.
There's like lots of little dots of color in it.
The Bonbane Bernard. What does that mean? Orange flower, gardenia. Yeah, that's just, it looks pretty, I'll have to say. I bet you that's
So this is going to make pretty colors.
Yeah, that's a pretty color one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then our final thing is called Hugs. A lightweight lotion to hydrate infused with fresh rose petals. This is an odd choice for November.
But for New York City?
Yeah.
Roses in New York City?
Yeah, I guess.
Interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I'm okay with this. Let's see what it smells like. This is the lotion after you bathe. That smells good, actually. That's not bad.
Yeah, it has a
that has a better scent. I don't like the lip stuff. I think naughty should be plum or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But rose is like too delicate.
Yeah.
This was a really kind of interesting box this month. Totally unexpected. The December box should be interesting. I'm not gonna open the December box until you're back, because we got to do our December box together. This one actually came. This is the November box, but Lenny wasn't here, so I wanted to save this for you because
Thank you.
We have to do these together.
Yeah, I like doing this.
So, I'm actually liking the Vision stuff. This is actually kind of nice. The serum.
Uh-huh.
I feel like my eyes look a little better.
Is it tightening things up?
I don't know. I think it might be. I feel like I look fresher. I like the New York City Night, the shower gel.
Mm-hmm.
I like the pineapple. I like, this is actually not too bad, the Cult Rose Glycerin Toner. The only thing I'm not a crazy, I gotta try that. I like their hair products. I do.
Flick. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. This is just a really unique box. I want to know who Ro and Gary are. I want to find out about these people. It's kind of interesting.
What's their names again?
Rowena and Gary.
Rowena and Gary.
Yeah. I'm okay with this. This was kind of fun.
Okay.
So there's your Lush box for November. I thought we were going to get turkey and gravy.
When you originally thought about a November
I was going to give you turkey and gravy.
You thought about a November box.
Yes, I thought it was going to be like more.
Yeah, this New York thing. Though.
Yeah, it was okay.
I mean, it's okay. I'm not sure I get all the associations here.
Yeah, I'm not sure either, but that's okay. That's what Lush does. Lush is an enigma. You never know what you're going to get.
We're just having fun.
We are having fun.
You can just have fun with Lush.
Yeah, it was fun. So anyway, we will have the next box. Oh, look. The Vision Breathtaking, beautifying oils that leave skin supple, deeply moisturized, and feeling useful. I'll take that any day.
I'm going to put it on my neck.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
I think it's working.
Yeah. Anyway, this was fun.
Now I got to go take a shower.
Yes, you do.
And get all kinds of that off. And what else are we going to put
I don't
on?
know.
Maybe I'll find something.
Bathe
in our hair balm or something.
Exactly. So we will see you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Good night, everyone.
Bye-bye.